Hello, I'm Roman Osorio from Butuan City, Philippines, and I am a participant of MMM Managerial School Batch 15. Uh, I'm so thankful to God that I become a part of this managerial school, and I'm very thankful to MMM for this opportunity. I've learned so many information about MMM ideology, about the life story of Sir Mavrodi. Uh, I've learned about how to handle objection, uh, how to make a video presentation. I also learned about the right programming of mind on how we will promote MMM and to others. And also I've also learned many things about promoting MMM in social media. The adequate knowledge and understanding about what I've learned in my MMM managerial school helped me a lot to overcome my fears and doubts about MMM. And also it will help me a lot to encourage other people to become a participant and be part of this movement to change the world. I'm very proud to become an MMM participant and become a part of MMM Managerial School 15th batch. Thank you, MMM, and together we change the world. To God be the glory.